we are providing products which provide solutions to our clients.
Okay.
Whatever, if they want banking, they want financial, we can provide any solutions to them.
हेलो, हाय, नमस्ते, सत श्री अकाल, आदाब। और उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आप सब बढ़िया हैं, मस्त है, स्वस्थ है। लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, वेलकम टू अनदर पॉडकास्ट ऑफ विजनरी वॉइसेस। चलिए, नया दिन, नई शुरुआत और हमारे अगले नए विजनरी वॉइसेस। आज मैं आपको इंट्रोड्यूस करवाने वाली हूँ कुछ ऐसे डायरेक्टर्स से। Ladies and gentlemen, it's my distinct pleasure to extend a warm and a heartfelt welcome to the esteemed directors of Soft Seas Global Private Limited. Let me quickly brief you what Soft Seas Global Private Limited is all about and who all has joined us today on our podcast. Ladies and gentlemen, Soft Seas Global Private Limited, founded in 2008, is a leading global fintech and software development company with headquarters in India, offices in Dubai and the USA. They offer tailored solutions for diverse markets. Their core offerings include fintech solutions, software development, consultancy services, and ongoing support. Their expert leadership team that drives the mission are all set to share their life experiences, success stories, challenges, and many more. Ladies and gentlemen, now let me quickly make you all meet the team, the power team, or should I say, the dream team, the directors of Soft Seas Global Private Limited. Ladies and gentlemen, the very first speaker on our podcast, he has a deep understanding of product development and innovation in the fintech space. He has successfully launched several fintech products that leverage cutting edge technologies. Ladies and gentlemen, Chief Product Officer at Soft Seas Global Private Limited, Mr. Sarang Jaiswal. Hello, sir. कैसे हैं आप? ऑल सेट? ओके, तो चलिए अभी हमारे अगले टीम मेंबर से मिलते हैं, हमारे अगले डायरेक्टर से मिलते हैं। लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, आवर नेक्स्ट डायरेक्टर, आवर नेक्स्ट स्पीकर ऑन आवर पॉडकास्ट विजनरी वॉइसेस, he brings out the extensive experience in risk management, particularly in the fintech sector. His expertise includes developing robust risk mitigation strategies and ensuring regulatory compliance. Ladies and gentlemen, he is Chief Risk Officer at Soft Seas Global Private Limited, Mr. Praful Mankar.
Thank you.
Hello, sir. How are you?
I'm good.
ऑल सेट?
Yes.
रेडी हैं आप?
Yes.
यस, ओके। चलिए अभी हमारे अगले डायरेक्टर से मिलते हैं, जो हमारे अगले लास्ट स्पीकर हैं, यानी कि थर्ड डायरेक्टर है ऑफ सॉफ्ट सीज ग्लोबल प्राइवेट लिमिटेड। लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, ही एक्सेल्स इन ड्राइविंग सेल्स स्ट्रैटेजीज एंड फॉगिंग strong client relationships. His insights into market trends and customer needs have significantly contributed to the company's growth. Ladies and gentlemen, he is Sales Director at Soft Seas Global Private Limited, Mr. Sarat Sethi.
Hi.
Hello, sir. कैसे हैं आप?
Hi.
Ladies and gentlemen, the directors are ready, and here we go with the very first question. मिस्टर सारंग से जायसवाल, आपसे स्टार्ट करें? यस, ओके। तो सर आप सबसे पहले, माय वेरी फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन टू यू वुड बी, व्हाट सेट्स सॉफ्ट सीज ग्लोबल्स fintech products apart from competitors in the market?
Okay, our products are designed
Okay.
with strong focus on user experience, security, scalability, and various things. We leverage advanced technologies like AI and blockchain. Uh, Due to this, we can offer great product to our customers.
राइट, ओके। अब मैं प्रफुल्ल जी के और बढ़ूंगी और मैं उनसे पूछूंगी अगला सवाल। सर, कैन यू एलैबोरेट ऑन द की रिस्क मैनेजमेंट प्रैक्टिसेस एट सॉफ्ट सीज ग्लोब?
My role at Softseas Global is risk. I'm a risk
यस,
assessment officer
Okay.
at Softseas Global.
ओके,
So, firstly, we work on the different parameters like risk assessment,
Right.
priorities of different things like risk assessment, training of our clients,
Right. Right.
training of our staff.
Right.
We mitigate those risks
Right. Okay.
through regular monitoring the market changes, risk management.
क्या बात है? Yes, Mr. Sarang Jaiswal, you please elaborate your role at Softseas Global Private Limited, and what all product is available at Softseas Global Private Limited.
My role in Software Global, I am a chief product officer.
Okay.
We are providing solutions to various institutions for finance and banking.
Okay. Okay. So Softseas is into that.
हाँ,
Okay.
we are
थोड़ा सा
providing
Softseas
solutions.
को थोड़ा सा आप elaborate करेंगे sir, in your own words.
We are providing the products which provide solutions to our clients.
Okay.
Whatever, if they want banking, they want financial, we can provide any solutions to them.
Okay. And now moving ahead to Praful sir. Praful sir, चलिए मेरा अगला सवाल आपके लिए. How does Softseas Global stay ahead of regulatory changes in the fintech industry?
Actually, at Sopsys Global, we regularly monitor the changes of industry changes, and we ensure to take the regular trainings of our staff.
Okay.
Apart from these, we are developing new skills and new strategies. We are continuously monitoring the regulatory changes.
Okay. All right. Moving ahead सर, आपसे अभी मैं अगला सवाल करूँगी. हमारे सेल्स डायरेक्टर एट Softseas Global Private Limited, शरद सेठी जी, कि आपका रोल क्या है एट Softseas? प्लीज एलैबोरेट. प्लीज बताइए.
Sales director
Yes.
always ensure our team
Okay.
regular training and performance incentive about the company future and in collaborate to company HR department to other thing and clearly communication with the company and always understand what is the problem in market in
Right.
future
Right.
or present and provided training
Right.
authority by anything else, any problem,
Right.
always cooperate with them and cooperate with senior.
क्या बात है. ओके सर, अगर मैं आपको पूछूं ये सवाल दैट प्रीवियस थोड़ा 5 साल पहले जाते हैं, तो Softseas का एक सेल्स ग्रोथ लेके अब तक कुछ बताएंगे 5 साल में कैसा रहा, क्या हो?
This time market is very challengeable market.
राइट.
We have always survey healthy market and focus in customers needs and
Okay.
provide the tailored solution their customer and success their needs
Okay.
and saturated market this time we are provide and understand our team sales team to produce our niche segment to clients and observe that then the success our growth.
ओके. तो ये आपका सेल्स रहा, सेल्स ग्रोथ रहा, राइट सर? कोई सेल्स सक्सेस स्टोरी है?
One of leading bank
ओके.
we are provide interpreted the API gateway service
ओके.
that's increased 30% their clients service and transaction process is success in market now.
क्या बात है. दैट्स अ ह्यूज वन. वेरी नाइस. कुडोज टू यू सर, क्योंकि आप सेल्स डायरेक्टर हैं, आप ऑब्वियसली टीम को सर आपसे फिर से मेरा अगला सवाल रहेगा. मिस्टर सारंग जायसवाल, कैन यू टेल ऑल ऑफ अस, ऑल द व्यूअर्स, अबाउट द प्रोडक्ट्स मीट द इवॉल्विंग नीड्स ऑफ द फिनटेक इंडस्ट्री?
We engage continuously in market research. We continuously take feedback from our customers, and this provides us the market information and customer needs and
Okay.
emerging trends.
ओके.
Okay, and due to which we are capable to provide more tailored solutions.
ओके. चलो, great, very nice. Sir, what challenges do you see in risk management for fintech companies today?
Today, the major challenge is cyber security.
Okay,
So, our prime focus is on cyber security
okay,
to ensure our clients a blockchain based technology to secure their data.
okay,
And the second one, rapidly changing market
okay,
regulations.
okay,
We keep a close eye on international regulatory changes.
Okay.
We continuously train our employees
correct.
to mitigate the upcoming risk.
Okay. Okay. Sir, Sarang sir, now talking about the feedback. As you know that feedback is very important. वो कोई भी प्रोडक्ट हो, छोटा हो, बड़ा हो, कस्टमर रिव्यू होना बहुत ज़रूरी होता है. So मेरा अगला सवाल आपसे यही रहेगा कि what role does customer feedback play in your product development process?
Customer feedback plays a crucial role in our product development process.
Okay.
We have established a channel to receive the feedbacks and analyze them
Okay.
and provide the solutions accordingly.
ओके सर, फीडबैक की बात होती है तो कहीं ना कहीं आई थिंक सेल्स की भी बात होती है, बिकॉज अगर फीडबैक अच्छा हो तो सेल्स डेफिनेटली अपने आप
We
आता
are
है.
able to understand the
Correct.
customers' needs. Na?
Right.
That's why we are taking the feedback, analyzing them, and providing solution.
करेक्ट, यस, सुपर. अभी सेल्स की बात आई तो सरद सर की बात आती है. सर, अब मेरा अगला सवाल आपसे ये रहेगा कि व्हाट आर द की स्ट्रैटेजीज बिहाइंड सॉफ्टसीज ग्लोबल सेल्स सक्सेस. क्या स्ट्रैटेजीज है, मतलब अगर आप बताना चाहें लोगों को.
Actually, our key strategy including scientific approach to our clients
ओके,
and healthy market research and try to keep long relationship with our clients
ओके,
and try, always understand clients needs and then provide tailored solution success their business.
ओके. मीन्स यू आर ट्राइंग टू से दैट हमेशा आप गो थ्रू करें, है ना, और समझें एंड देन यू प्रोवाइड द सॉल्यूशंस to your consumers or customers, right? Sir, my next question to प्रफुल्ल sir आपके लिए रहेगा कि balance innovation with risk management at Softies.
At Sopsys, we regularly motivate our staff
Okay,
to launch some innovative products.
right,
But at the same time, while you are focusing on innovations, at the same time, as per my role, so risk management is also important.
right,
So we regularly keep meetings between our developers
Okay.
and our risk officers.
Uh-huh.
The communication between staff is important.
Right.
Accordingly, they develop new products.
सही बात है, हाँ, बिल्कुल,
मतलब कि by collaboration.
राइट, या बाय कोलैबोरेटिंग विद ईच अदर एंड राइट. तो इससे जो रिस्क है वो बढ़ता है, कम होता है, या एग्जैक्टली हाउ इट इज.
See, innovation is our priority definitely, but इससे जो कंपनी का ग्रोथ है या जो फिर हमको जो सॉल्यूशंस
Correct.
प्रोवाइड करने हैं हमारे क्लाइंट्स को, तो we can make a better product,
करेक्ट, बिल्कुल,
and that's why we are focusing on AI based technology.
Right.
Recently we have launched blockchain. We have used that
Okay.
blockchain development in
डेवलपमेंट,
our
हाँ,
product.
ओके,
So by providing the tailor-made solutions,
राइट,
we want to get more and more business from the market.
करेक्ट,
Blockchain
करेक्ट,
is basically for secure transactions only.
ओके,
That's why you're using that technology.
अच्छा, ओके, ओके. एनीथिंग ऑन एआई.
AI is used for predictive analysis.
Right. So how is it relevant to Softsies, and how does it works with you guys?
For Softsys, we are using AI only to give ready solutions to our customers.
Right.
Okay.
Okay.
That's why.
Okay. All right. Sir, my next question. सारंग जी, प्लीज़ हमें बताइए कि Softsies leverage टेक्नोलॉजी के प्रोडक्ट ऑफरिंग्स.
Here we incorporate the advanced AI technology for predictive analysis.
Okay.
Blockchain we are using for securing secure transactions, and cloud computing for scalability
Right.
and efficiency. This technological backbone ensures our product to be robust and secure
Correct.
for future.
Right.
Future proof.
Right.
These are our products are future proof.
Okay. Future proof.
हाँ.
Okay. Can you elaborate how is it future proof?
Future proof means whatever conditions the market face, we are ready.
Okay.
हाँ.
अच्छा
For that.
ऑलरेडी
हाँ,
रेडी
हाँ,
हैं
we are
आप
ready.
आने दो
Maybe ready and we'll develop our technologies for that.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल वो तो आई थिंक धीरे धीरे स्लोली एंड स्टेडीली इट इज डेफिनेटली गोइंग टू टेक ओवर द राइट सर मूविंग अहेड कोई ऐसा रीसेंट सक्सेस स्टोरी मतलब आई एम श्योर कि देर आर यू नो लॉट ऑफ चैलेंजेस देर आर लॉट ऑफ फेलियर्स एज वेल but of course failure then there's definitely a success. Any success story you'd like to share, Praful sir, in risk management at SoftSeas Global?
Recently, we have developed blockchain technology we
Okay.
have used for
Okay.
our clients. By using this technology, we have means we have almost we are going to reduce 40%
For risk.
risk,
अच्छा
40% fraud risk.
okay
Yeah.
okay
So by using such kind of technologies, I think it's a huge success for us. It's a big
Correct.
story.
right
So we are continuously trying to upgrade our
Correct.
products and provide the best solutions to our clients.
correct okay also I wanted to ask you that offices are in Dubai as well and the USA, so the main headquarters is in India,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
You guys are based in Mumbai.
Mumbai.
Sir, could you please tell us where in Mumbai exactly?
Having office in Vashi,
Okay
and we are operating from here.
Okay.
Or now we are doing most in Nagpur.
okay अच्छा
We are clients in Nagpur also.
अच्छा okay
We are frequently in Nagpur and
Right, right. Sir, my next question to you, Sarath sir. What are your future plans to drive sales growth at SoftSeas Global?
Actually, our future planning in new market, nowadays market is a challenging market. So we are always trained our team members
Okay.
and how to meet our clients and understand their needs.
Okay,
And our main thing, we provide our service and security challenge.
okay,
That time customer always wants their surety and guarantee anything else.
right,
So we are always try to provide our best knowledge, our best niche segment, and to understand our clients and provide for their business progress and
Right.
growth their business, anything else.
all right. Sir, this was all about the future plans to drive sales growth. Sir, coming back to you, future sales growth की जब बात होती है तो definitely comes in the innovation. So, could you please tell us that what are the upcoming innovations we can expect from SoftSeas Global?
Coming innovations, we are continuously integrating with advanced AI technology and blockchain for secure transaction, and working on API
Right.
to get better integration with various banking and financial segments.
राइट ओके प्रफुल्ल जी आपके और आते हैं और आपसे अगला क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं कि जैसे अभी इन्होंने भी कहा अबाउट द फ्यूचर ग्रोथ एंड सेल्स, सर ने कहा अबाउट द फ्यूचर इन इनोवेशंस, व्हाट फ्यूचर ट्रेंड्स डू यू foresee in fintech risk management?
Future trends include blockchain technology, the use of blockchain technology to reduce fraudulent transactions
Okay.
mostly. Then we are moving to other global markets, so continuously monitoring the regulatory changes
Right.
and to develop our product more effectively.
Right.
We are more focusing on AI-based solutions
Right.
which can be provided to upgrade our product.
Correct, correct. We are all waiting for the soft Cs to do wonders in the market. And kudos to all three of you, and all the very best for the future innovations, for the future, foresee, for the future sales growth. So, all the very best to all three of you. And, sir, any last message, anything that you want to say, लास्ट चीज़ जो आपको अबाउट सॉफ्ट सीज या कुछ भी जो भी आपको डिलीवर करना हो हमारे व्यूवर्स को, सारंग जी आपसे स्टार्ट करेंगे.
मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि वी शुड कीप ऑन इंटीग्रेटिंग अस विथ अपकमिंग ट्रेंड्स.
राइट.
Okay, whenever we stop or upgrading ourselves, we can move with the changing trends.
Correct.
So timely, we have to integrate our systems,
Right.
our teams, train them with coming trends, so that we can uh, grow.
ग्रो. राइट. 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 ओके. सर प्रफुल्ल जी, आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
Yeah, we want to use the cutting edge technology as well as for being competitive for at today's growing market. We should upgrade ourselves regularly. So that's we are focusing on AI based technology
राइट.
and the new changes which would be drive us towards success.
राइट. ओके. सर जी, आप सेल्स के बारे में, ग्रोथ के बारे में, एनीथिंग यूड लाइक टू से?
Actually, I am thrilling our organization
ओके.
to focus in collaboration, banking, finance, industrial sector,
ओके.
and trade sectors. So always try to partnership to collaboration other organization like educational institution, industry association, and government bodies. Always we try to now or in future try to more partnership to financial growth for our company.
Right. All right. Thank you very much. And we are equally thankful. Thank you very much for being on our podcast, Visionary Voices. And I hope that many questions are now solved. And, people actually, they got to know more about Softseas, what Softseas is, and what are their missions, obviously. All the very best once again from Visionary Voices. And thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.